Mastering emails, an essential skill for English learners. Hello, language learners. Today, we're taking a deep dive into an essential writing format: emails. In our digital age, being able to communicate effectively via email is not only a practical skill, but it's also a fantastic way to practice your written English. Let's get started. An email typically consists of a few key components. 1. Subject line. This is a brief summary of the email's content. Make it clear and concise. 2. Salutation. This is your greeting. It could be formal, "Dear Mr. Smith," or informal, "Hi, John," depending on the recipient. 3. Body. This is where you write your main message. Break it up into paragraphs to make it easier to read. 4. Closing. This is where you sign off. Again, it could be formal, sincerely, or informal. Best, based on your relationship with the recipient. 5. Signature. This usually includes your name and possibly your title or contact information. Now, let's go over some tips on how to write effective emails. 1. Be clear and concise. Your recipient may be busy, so make sure your point is understood quickly. 2. Use appropriate language. Consider your relationship with the recipient. Is it formal or informal? Your language should reflect that. 3. Proofread. Always double-check your spelling and grammar before sending an email. Mistakes can make you seem less professional and can sometimes change the meaning of your sentences. The best way to learn is by doing. So let's try writing a sample email. Here's a simple scenario. Imagine you are asking your English teacher about the homework assignment for next week. Subject line. Inquiry about next week's homework. Salutation. Dear, teacher's name. Body. I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to ask about the homework assignment for next week. Could you kindly confirm if it's from chapter 5 or 6 of our textbook? I appreciate your help in this matter. Closing. Best regards. Signature. Your name. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to write emails in different scenarios and ask a teacher or native English speaker to review them for you. And there you have it. You've learned about the structure of emails, tips for writing them effectively, and even had a bit of practice. Keep honing your email writing skills, as it's a fantastic way to improve your written English. As always, we're here to support you on your language learning journey. Stay tuned for more lessons on mastering the English language. Happy learning!